It's your girl Joy again mga ka-chill. Welcome to the second part of our birthday staycation series. Tonight mga ka-chill, we're heading to dinner and we decided to dine at their main restaurant, La Marina. Perfect timing because it's a grill night mga ka-chill. What's really special about this place mga ka-chill, there is a live band that serenades you throughout your entire meal, diba? So bongga, so that's the best part actually. You can make a request, tapos pupunta sila sa table nyo, tapos ayun, kakantahin nila doon, ayun, diba? Super chill lang talaga, super romantic, just the right vibes talaga for the night like this mga ka-chill. Dahil birthday natin to. Ito, nag-serve na sila ng complimentary soup nila, which is masarap din. Ayan, nag-order nga lang po kami ng inihaw na lempo at saka yung grilled squid. Ayan, masarap sila both mga ka-chill, bongga talaga. At itong jumbo halo-halo mga ka-chill for our dessert. Grabe, sobrang laki nito at hindi nga namin to naubos. And here we are, kinatahan na tayo ng Manila. I feel wonderful talaga tonight mga ka-chill dahil it's my day. Yun lang. Bye. See you sa part 3. Breakfast naman tayo.